This is my review of the G840. It's pretty nice. It's a backup camera. I've got it set up right now where the wires go up underneath here, back behind everything, and besides the few wires right here, that's all you can see. It's set up to show the back camera all the time. I've got it so when you turn the car on, it automatically comes on. When you turn it off, it automatically goes off. In the back of my truck, I've got the wires under here, and it goes up to my fifth wheel. So all you have to do is hook up the fifth wheel, and I swap out the wires, and I will be able to see behind my fifth wheel as I'm driving down the road.